Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review on the La Flor Dominicana Chisel Selection. So I think this pack is perfect for anyone that hasn't tried the LFD brand and really wants to get into the flavor profiles of this brand. I got the Chisel Selection, which is a shape that I've been very interested in lately. So let's get into it. So it does come in like this wooden box. We have a sticker all the way around. It is branded with the LFD brand. Here we have another LFD sticker. It has a little latch, lift it up, and there you have your LFD 5-count chisel selection. Now I do want to show the interior of the box. It does have the LFD brand, chisel selection, and then finally the CRA sticker. Now first cigar that we have is the LFD Double Ligero, and as you can see we have the chisel tip, which is something that I've wanted to try out. Next we have the LFD Cameroon cabinets. Now I did want to show how this cigar is cracked, so that is a problem. But then again, you can never really trust the quality and consistency of sampler packs, mainly because they don't really get the same amount of humidification and there's more possibility of having those dry cigars. For me, I don't really mind it, mainly because it is a sampler pack. I'm getting them to sample and I'm mainly just trying to get the flavor profile out of these cigars. See if I like them, see if I like a specific wrapper, and then I can go ahead and buy a box if I do enjoy it. So for me, this is mainly to try the different flavor profiles, but also to be able to try the chisel tip. Now I could have gotten every single one of these individually, and they probably would have been in better condition, but just the convenience of a sampler pack is way too good to pass up, at least in my eyes. Third, we are going to have the LFD Double Ligero. This Double Ligero cigar is one that I haven't tried yet, and I'm really looking forward to it. Fourth, we are going to have the LFD Coronado. Now, this is a cigar that I already have. I haven't smoked it yet, but I do have one. But the fact that this one comes in a chisel tip, I'm curious to see the differences in both. And then finally, we do have the LFD Ligero, another one that I haven't tried, and I'm looking forward to it. And overall, I think this is a great selection pack. If you really haven't tried the LFD brand yet, you do have a variety of some of the most popular LFD cigars right here. And so I definitely recommend it.